So these are 1.5 inch wide strips of decking that are going to go on the washboard deck. And there's so much curve up in the bow of this boat that I've got to steam them to wrap them around the deck of the boat. Got a simple system here. It's just nothing but a pine box with some rods, some metal rods that go through every few feet and hold the wood up off the bottom. And then just a propane cooker down here with an old tank I got there to make steam. That does say up there, right?
Yes. Well, maybe I can't get it on the flat. The epoxy. Okay.
So today we're putting in a couple of these strips. They've been steam bent, but they still have to be fitted on the bow, fitted to the king plank. So we're just putting a little caulking bevel on the very front of that. That should do it. The owner really wanted a traditional deck, so we've gone ahead and got this Douglas fir, and we're happy to do it.